Reason number 873 not to get a ram mount. We're trying to take it out and then the fucking screw popped off and the rubber is stuck in there. So we're running into some issues right now. What's up guys, Bombgardener here. And today I'm bringing another tutorial type video. I have gotten numerous upon numerous comments asking what kind of phone mount do I have? How do I have the phone mounted? I have the ram mount out right now. I wanted to go ahead and get it out just so I could get it as close to stock as possible. But a lot of people have asked me, how do I have a phone mount in the R7? There's no hole for it. What kind of phone mount do you use? Yada yada. So I'm going to answer that in today's video. So as I said before, I was using a ram mount, but I do not suggest the ram mount at all. Whenever we were uninstalling or taking out the ram mount, the rubber piece actually got broken off and stuck in there. Made a huge problem. We had to try to figure out how to get it out of there. Ended up getting it out, but that's a whole nother story. So the phone mount that I will be using from now on is a quad lock motorcycle fork stem mount. Okay, so it is going to go into that little hole over there. What I also got was a motorcycle vibration dampener. The reason I got this is the ram mount, I didn't have one of these on there, and my iPhone 11 Pro, it destroyed the stabilizer in my camera. I talked about it in the last video, but the stabilizer, this is what it would do. It looked like my phone was shaking anytime I took videos or pictures. So we got the vibration dampener, and then we got a universal adapter. So they do sell cases for individual phones, like specific phones, but I went ahead and got the universal adapter because I am going to test this on another phone that's not the phone that I use all the time, to make sure make sure the stabilizer in the camera does not break. But yeah, this is going to be a super duper easy install, like way easier than the ram mount. The ram mount, you have to make cuts and modifications, and this is literally pretty much just plug and play. Some of you guys may wonder why I didn't get the one that you could charge your phone on, and honestly, it's just too much work for me. I didn't feel like having to deal with that with the wiring and taking all this. It's too much for me. I'll just charge my phone or carry a battery pack with me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to this install, and I'm going to try to find a way to mount my phone. Oh guys, hang on just 1 second. A large majority of my viewers that are watching these videos are not subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It helps me out a ton, and it helps me make these videos to help you guys out. So like I said, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the big red button, subscribe to the channel. If you're feeling extra generous today, drop a like, and let's get back into the video. All right, so I'm hoping this is a decent angle for you guys. You guys might hear a little bit of a buzzing. That's we're literally right next to a power plant, so if you hear that, I do apologize for that. But yeah, this is going to be super easy. So a lot of people see that silver nut whenever you get your stock R7. That does come off. All you have to do is unscrew it. You might have to give it a little bit of some elbow grease to get it out, but it will come off. And then this blue bolt right here, it just doesn't have the cover so that you can put stuff in there. This is a Pro Bolt USA nut. I forget the exact dimension and size, but I will put it up on the screen right now, and I'll put a link down in the description. With all these links that I'm posting, guys, I don't make anything. I'm not an affiliate. These are just products that I use and I believe in. So let's go ahead and get started with this install so you can see just literally how freaking easy this is. Like I said, we got the quad lock. I've opened it up and looked at it, tested it out, made sure everything fit, and yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. Here's the packaging. First of all, the ram mount came in a plastic bag, so that's pretty trash. Here's the packaging. Give you an Allen key. They give you the actual mount right here that's going to go in there, and then this is what your phone will sit on. So we'll start with getting this mount in there. So what you'll have to do is you need to access in here to be able to tighten this down onto your bike, and the way you'll do that is you go ahead and unscrew this from it. So you unscrew that from it, you're going to lay this bolt somewhere that you don't lose it, and then this will just come right off. There's two little thumb grooves on each side. You're going to grab both ends, pull that up, and then you'll see it reveals a little Allen key right in there. So try to line this thing up as straight as you possibly can with your bike. Then all you're going to do is take your Allen key, get it in there, tighten it up, and I'm telling you, I mean, this is literally the easiest install ever. Look at that. It's done. It's literally done. Oh, also, I know I'm going to get questions about it. On the blue Pro Bolt, the torque spec, I could not find what the torque spec was for that, so I just tightened it down to about as tight as I remember the original nut filling. So I mean, I cranked on it pretty good. Now we can reassemble this. So you're going to take your little piece right here, go ahead and push it back in there to cover that Allen nut, and then remember, so this part's going to want to be facing up because that's where your phone's going to mount to. So we'll pop that in there, and for now I'm going to raise it up to about right there-ish. I'll play with it and see how I feel, and then we're just gonna screw this in. I'm telling you guys, super duper easy install. Light years ahead of RAM. Light years ahead of RAM. If you're on the fence, quad lock or RAM, just from the install alone, I would say quad lock. So that's nice and tight. Next part is usually if you don't get the vibration dampener, you'll just screw this on there. Very super easy, okay? So we're gonna open up the vibration dampener. We're gonna pop this out. Comes with a nice little Allen key, very kind of them. All right, so basically you're gonna take your vibration dampener and you're gonna go ahead and screw it into the head here. So try to make it as good as we possibly can. We'll go ahead and clamp her down. All right, now it's nice and clamped down, and you can see there's a little bit of resistance here. That's gonna help absorb some of the shock of the bumps and just normal everyday riding. Now, the actual piece that mounts your phone. So again, very easy. You just got an Allen key here, and you're gonna clamp that thing down as tight as it can go. You wanna leave this on a side to where you can actually reach it and push it, because that's how you're gonna release your phone. So just try to line it up as straight as you can, tighten it down. And I like to do a nice tighten on these because it's a phone, it's valuable. But there you go, like the mount itself is installed. Super freaking easy install. The way you'll take your phone off is you just push that, twist it, come out. Whenever you wanna put it on, push, twist, and it's on. So I'm gonna go get my spare phone and we're gonna put this universal adapter on it, and I'll show you how the actual mount works and connects to the I guess the mounting system. Why can't I do a video like this, man? It feels so weird to me. I just wanna go ride. All right, so here's the phone that we're gonna be testing this out on. I believe this is an 8 Max. I'm honestly not 100% sure, but I can download my YouTube Premium on it and have my music and navigation, and I'm happy, okay? We're gonna open up this universal adapter. I recommend if you are getting the universal mount, just make sure you clean off the surface because you don't want it to fall off. All right, cool deal. So we've got that. We're gonna lay this here. The universal mount just has 3M on the back. We're gonna peel off that protective layer. And if you look, it's got lettering on there. You just wanna make it right side up, right in the center of that phone. And that looks pretty straight to me, honestly. Check it out, it's on there. Like I said, to put this phone on the mount, you literally just push down your blue, twist it, and there you go, it's on there. And it's got the vibration dampener too, so your phone's not gonna absolutely, your phone camera's not gonna get destroyed. So take it off. All you gotta do is push down on that blue tab, twist it the opposite way, and lift. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that, honestly. Again, just from another angle here, so you're just gonna get the angle on right, push it in, twist it, locks into place. To get it off, push the little blue tab, twist it, pull it off. Super easy. The RAM, I don't know if you guys remember my videos, but it had a bunch of arms on the sides. You had to open up those arms to even be able to put the phone in or take it out. So love this mount. I'm gonna take it out for a ride here in a second, give a little demo, see how the phone handles, and we might twist the phone down a little bit. It's a little bit high up, but yeah, let's get that demo ride right now. All right, guys, a little bit of a time change here. We've just put on a new back tire. If you guys follow my Instagram, you guys will see that back tire was pretty fucked up when we got that changed. So we're gonna be taking it slow. We're just making sure that nothing feels wobbly or fucked up or anything like that. But yeah, the new quad lock is installed here, and I'm telling you, it just looks so nice. You don't have those stupid arms holding it. It's just, I don't know, it's so much better. I think I'll be able to see GPS, change songs, and the cool thing about it is where you just push that little blue tab. If you were, I'm not going to condone, or I'm not going to advise that you guys have your phone in your hand while you're riding. However, if you guys are, on a private lot and rolling slow and you're trying to get shots at your buddy, then, it's super easy to take your phone off, take a shot, put it back on there. So this test ride's going good though. Tire feels good. I forgot what a full tire feels like, and it definitely feels way different. It is so cold. I don't think there's any way I'm gonna ride this bike home tonight. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate you all watching the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. I know a lot of people requested the phone mount video, so I wanted to wait until I got the quad lock to actually do a video on it. But I think this is gonna work out a lot better than the RAM mount. Remember, if you want to buy that nut that you replace that fork stem mount nut with, I'm gonna put a link for it down in the description. I'll also put a link for the quad lock, vibration dampener, and the universal adapter. But appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.